My name is Kira. I'm from Ireland, but I grew up in Spain. And I'm doing the 200-hour Hatha Yoga Teacher Training here in Sampoorna. It's been fantastic. I've learned so much already, and we still have an entire week to go. Um, yeah, it's been very interesting. Obviously, learning the anatomy of the body, which I wasn't very aware of because you know I just didn't really know it. But yeah, the philosophy as well, super interesting. We have a wonderful manual that we'll get to keep forever. Um, and yeah, it's got all of the information in it that you could possibly need. So I think I'll be keeping that for the rest of my life. The teachers are fantastic. Like, they really do make the place, and you feel very supported here, even like the students, the staff, the karma yogis, and everyone. They're just fantastic. It feels like a little family here. And yeah, everyone wants to help you. Everyone wants to see you have the best time and succeed. It really does feel like that here. So it's wonderful. There's a couple of challenges. I would say something that I struggle with is coordinating my breath with the asanas. However, that is being very much taught, which is wonderful. Everything's being taught, from the basics to the more advanced things. Like, it's a very well-rounded course. Yeah, anything that you could possibly want to know, you can ask about it. There's so much information around. Everybody obviously has got the same interest. That's why we're all here, so it's great. Maybe having the confidence to actually think that you're going to be a teacher, constantly having to put yourself forward and um, like, demonstrate something. That has been slightly challenging, but it's been great, and you really do feel like you get thrown in at the deep end. So it's great. It really is.